Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talking about why car insurance is important and how you pick between normal insurance or full cover insurance. This is my experience from driving for 6 years. I'm going to share it to you. Um, how, why? Okay, let's talk in the first one. Why is important? Because first, you don't know when the accident can happen. Second, the bill for the fix or the coverage for the damage or everything is really unpredict or unknown the amount. When the accident happen, first time you're gonna spend time a lot for that, very long. Okay, I'm gonna share about my experience at the end of this video. Second, if you're not a victim or you are I don't know how to say that word. If you didn't get hurt or that person get hurt, still have the people to clear that situation. I'm not lying to you guys. Mostly it's about money and time, nothing much. It's very important when something happens. It's not important when you not use it. If you're not driving a lot, you're just driving around your area, your city, didn't go any far. You can go far, but the insurance, if you have, it's okay. But if you don't have, something happen, it's gonna be terrible situation. When you travel, you're gonna booking the rent or renting the car or the hotel or the flight or something. It has a huge cover insurance. It's really helpful when something happen. But if something not happen, it's still okay to pay. If you rent a car from different place, different state, I recommend you should buy the insurance because you don't know what they're gonna charge you later. Example, you drive a good the whole trip, but you drop off the car and you didn't have an insurance. You drop off the car, you take video or something, and you go home. And now, and the dealer they send the bill. Hey, this one have the dent, this one have the mark, this one has scratch, and you will feel like you didn't make it. You take a video or something. They say no, it's a hidden this over here. You should hide something. They make the excuse to you that you didn't know how that happening. But I recommend just buy the insurance and make it clear and done, and you don't have to headache with that. Okay, now let's talk about the liability or full coverage for your car insurance. Okay, I have both, so I'm gonna share. Now I have only the first one, liability. I was have a full coverage before, and this video might be helping you just a little bit or much. I'm not sure, but just let you think about it. I will explain to you easy way. Liability, it's fixed for someone car that you hit. Full coverage is cover your car and the other people that you hit. That's it. It's simple. Liability not for yourself. Okay, example, I and my friend. Liability, my insurance liability, take care of my friend. Full coverage, take care of me and my friend. But if your friend have liability, your friend insurance liability cover my car. Just make it simple. So next one, how it gonna be work? You should buy a liability or full coverage. This very important question, and how you gonna make a big decision. First, you have to ask yourself, are you good driving? If you're good driving, it's okay. You know, oh, you're driving well, you never have car accident, you drive okay. If you're driving good, go to the liability. If you worry about driving or hit something, if your area have a lot of deer, bear, squirrel, bird, or animal surround the area, like in the mountain or close to the ocean or the lake, it have an animal crossing a lot. So I recommend buy the full coverage, because you know when sometimes you hit or something is happening and no one can be your evidence. So full coverage really help. I use liability because I never drive bad, so I never get a car accident, so it saved my money a lot. For the people who have full coverage, only the person worry a lot, worry that, worry this, something happen, you don't know, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I worry, let it. I worry gonna hit someone, I worry someone gonna hit me, I worry, oh my car. It had the one word you're gonna hear on the social media all the time. It had the word hit and run. The word hit and run is really happen all the time when the crazy people driving on the road. You have to thinking easy. When you start driving on the road in everywhere, you have to thinking everyone on the road they are crazy person, crazy people. You didn't know when they cut your lane. And so this is my experience when I'm driving on the different state. I driving, okay, this is a car I'm driving and closing to me. This person, wow, I feel like, guys, you're driving fast, just more than 5 or 10 miles per hour, but it's just faster 1 or 2 minutes. Why you guys have to drive like that? It look fun for you guys, but it look dangerous for me. It look dangerous for other people driving on the same way with you guys. So please follow the rule. So okay, let's go back hit and run. You didn't know who hit your car, or you already saw the person hit your car, but you cannot catch that because when you call the cop to take the license plate, blah blah blah, take that and take the insurance, it take more than 1 or 2 months. So full coverage for the people who live in the big city is really helpful, because in the big city it's very hard to find a parking lot and find hard a parking place. Maybe the road is small space, something like that. Even though you just crash something, the full coverage, full coverage still cover for your car. But if you have only liability, your car got scratched, your car got damaged for someone else, something, the liability not fixed for you. The liability is work for you only when someone car have insurance and they hit your car or they damage your car. Their insurance gonna fix or pay for you. If that person don't have the insurance, that person had to pay out of their pocket 100% to you. If they don't pay that, they have to go to police station or the jail or the judge or something. It's really long step, and you still need car to go to work. Okay, next I talk about my experience that happened to me. My experience that happened to me. It's not serious. It's a small situation. Okay, I will go to work and I go to shopping and my car got hit by someone. That I'm parking my car in parking lot. Okay, this is my car and this another person car. You know, right, in parking lot it has a space a lot of space or something. I gave the space the front a lot, about 3 to 6 feet, because my car is small. I cannot see the front well, so I worry to hit something the front, so I give more space, about 3 to 6 feet. No, 3 feet only, 3 feet to 5 feet, to give more space to walking cross. And another car, they don't have a camera. They're rare and their car is very high. They don't see my car. They boop. I don't know how that happening. And that guy, he leave the note on my car. he leave a note, he write something, he write a note and he put on my the door, leave the paper on the door, say, oh, sorry to hit your front bumper, give me a call and I can figure out how to fix your front car. I feel like, huh, my car got hit. I finished my shopping, finished working until 10 p.m. I'm looking, oh my lord, my car got hit. I feel like, oh my lord. But this is my good situation. That person give their information, their name and their phone to me. So I call to that person, give exchange the contract and make a schedule meeting the next day and talking, hey, can we exchange the insurance? I'm gonna call my insurance to take your information to claim the accident report or something. Next video I'm gonna explain to you how to get a claim insurance in every situation. I'm gonna ask and tell you. My situation is after we exchange the insurance information, I have to let that person know, hey, I'm gonna call my insurance for claim the car accident report by your insurance, okay? Make things clear. I'm gonna tell like, oh, hey, if the amount bill something total, my agency gonna contact your agency to make it clear, done. The good thing is he have the same company insurance with me. But if he don't have insurance, that's gonna be a big trouble. So I'm glad that person have insurance. So that's why I recommend have the insurance is more important. I spent about 2 weeks to have schedule appointment for my car to how to say that, analyze, diagnostic, to see how much damage, how much it to take, and they have to order the part about couple more weeks. I spent about 6 weeks, just small front bumper for 6 weeks, and I tell the person, I tell the collision center, I say I don't have a car, I need to go to work. So the collision center, they contract to the rent car with the agency of the company from the person who damaged my car. So when they say okay, the person who hit my car gonna pay for the rent for my car. So I got free car paid by the another person. I just pay for the car, got free only insurance, because I'm not sure what is gonna happen. So just bought the liability insurance because I'm pretty sure I'm not bad driving, so I didn't hit or any accident. So I buy a small liability. It's about $12 or $13 per day until I get my car back. So I just return my car. So this is very important to have a car insurance because you don't know what's gonna happen. This very unpredictable, and that's why it's called the word accident. So be careful when you drive, and at least you have insurance. I know the insurance is look expensive, but it's very worth when you use it, and it can help you save the time and can use more benefit from that. So try to read the information, the policy cover, how it look like, what is covered, what is not covered, and what situation. Read that carefully. If you don't know about that, ask your family or friend to helping you about that. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Next video I'm going to talk about how to claim the insurance and what you should have, what you should do. Thank you.